To remove the fabric covers on the Chicco KidFit, start by removing the backrest. To remove the backrest, turn the seat over and press and hold the backrest connection release. Then rotate the seat and disengage the backrest. To remove the cup holders, press the release button on the bottom of the seat. Then remove the cup holder. Repeat for the other side. To remove the armrest covers, press the armrest release button directly under the front of the armrest, while lifting up on the front edge to remove the pad. Slide the fabric off the armrest base. Next, find the 8 elastic loops. Unhook the loops. And pull the fabric from the seat base. Remove the foam pad from inside the fabric cover before washing the fabric. To remove the fabric cover from the KidFit backrest, unhook the 4 elastic hoops behind the headrest. And the 2 loops located at the bottom of the backrest. Lift up on the fabric from the top of the headrest and pull on the KidFit tab to remove the fabric. Pull the seat fabric forward.